And this is it, Bob. Down by 2, 10 seconds on the clock. Pass it in. Jimmy gets the ball. He drives down. Oh no, he's trapped. He crosses the defender. His ankle's in break. Literally, I can see his bone. Jimmy drives. No, he sets back for the shot.
1.
Jimmy drives. No, he sets back for the shot.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
And this is it, Bob. Down by 2. No, he sets back for the shot.
2, 1.
Give them God, give them lies, let me shoot.
Hello there. Welcome to another video. I'm Chris, your host, and today I'm putting together this basketball goal. Buckets.
New decisions, it's a sham. Keys of Khaled, Killer Cam. Show me visions, show me fam.
Well, it's not packaged that great, but hopefully it's not broken and it still is good to go.
Counting all them problems got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci, Leslie, Aga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Took a ride, lost a life, lost a bride. Set a goal, set aside how I feel, horrified. I'm a fool, I'm a saint. Put up 2 in the paint. If you knew what I changed, broke the rules in the rain. Yeah.
Sometimes power tools are just the way to go. I don't know how long would it take me with just that little tool. It wasn't even holding on to the screws that well. And with this is impossible because it's like a millimeter thick and then the nut is like a millimeter. So rather impossible. Thank God for these.
Like I'm Rain Man, cover up with Gucci, Leslie, Aga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do.
Alright, I'm a tired boy, so I'm gonna take a little break and then come back out. My back is tired from doing all the tightening on all the bolts and screws and stuff, but it's been pretty easy thus far. And it's been, I don't know, it's been maybe an hour. So, yeah, so I'll be back out here in a second to continue on food. Hello, everybody.
Where'd your books?
Buddy. Where's your smiles? Need you smiles? Hello. Hey, smiles. Need you eat? Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Yummy. Hi, Christy.
Hello.
Alright, I'm back. Now I flipped over the basketball goal to start putting on this top pole. Hey. Hey. Alright friends, I have almost completed the basketball goal and I got all the parts up. No parts remaining except one washer because there was a duplicate on one of the bolts that it came with. So yeah, you always want to make sure that you use all the parts, because if you don't, then you're left and you're like, crap, what did I miss? And then you won't find out until 30 months later when your basketball goal falls off the hinges. Anyways, I have the net left to do. This net's pretty sucky. And the goal actually looks a little crooked from here. Well, that's not good. But water's going in. Almost done with the water. Water's done now. Oh.
I wanna play some music. I wanna play some funk. I wanna play some music. I wanna play
First shot on the new goal.
some music.
In the arms of
The rim is a little bit up, a little bit crooked, but might be the way that it is for the second.
That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah.
Alright, let's do a review of this as I played on it for 2 minutes. It's pretty solid. The backboard's, you know, it is plastic, but I can use it. I can use it. It's not like a real backboard, but it's good enough. The rim is okay. It's fine. It's a little crooked. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. But yeah, it seems like it's holding pretty good. It seems pretty sturdy. It's not like trash. I'm curious how long it would last if I play on it like every day for a little bit. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for hanging out. Thank you all for just doing the things. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't, so you can be updated, notified whenever I put out a video. Yeah, appreciate y'all. See you later.